Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 29 of my birthday card today, September 2023. Let's see what I used to create today's card. Have to say this card is very simple. I can't show you the stamp set because it is a digital stamp, but I did use these Cat Scrappiness cross-stitched mini slimline dies. I will have everything linked in the description box below. I know Cat Scrappiness is not going to be carrying any slimline products anymore, and these were in the clearance section, so you might want to check that out if they're still available. And then I also used the Newton's Nook Sky Scene Builder dies. I used it for this cloud here. And onto my card. Oh, and I used some glossy accents, I guess, too. So this is the Sweet and Sassy Stamps Birthday Kitty digital stamp. And I didn't realize when I printed him kind of big, but it worked out perfect for this mini slimline. I just love how he takes up the whole space, and he's just so cute and happy, and the happy birthday. I had to add the clouds because my, I have it happen once in a while. My light blue Copic marker, I don't know if you can see there, there'll be nothing there, and it'll randomly leave these like little red streaks. So it did that. So I covered it up with the cloud, and I think that it actually looked really cute. And I did use those glossy accents, and there's lots of bubbles. Can't be too soon. I'm ready for that bottle to be gone so I can use the Pink and Main Touch and Gloss. So there's that, and then I just did that on the inside. Since there was no paper and there's no image, I just left it blank, but I did do that decorative little die cut there or whatever. So there is my card for day 29. I will see you back here tomorrow for the very last card of the series. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.